Just look at the US. Advisory firms are being acquired. Private equity money is so keen on this segment. Even if you look at India, Unicus has raised so much of money, 20 plus million. How do you see this market shaping up?
I'll give you an anecdote. A year back, we were helping an investment bank structure their own deal, right? So there was a bit of a sell-off by some of the investment bank minority partners to majority partners. And that concerned partner said that I'm slightly surprised why are tax firms not valued? Because you guys have a far more stable business compared to us, right? Our business can be erratic depending on the deal, but you can actually show a organic path, which itself is a good platform to invite a serious investor. And I said, yes, I'm absolutely right. I don't know why it's not happening, but we are actually seeing that happening overseas. So you have the BDOs, the GTs of the world in overseas countries being funded by private equity. You have a US backed tax firm known as Ryan, which is again owned by a private equity. You have something happening in Singapore more on the corporate secretarial side. You had this KNAV deal happening where Nikhil Kamath and etc. has invested something. And in the last 2 years, we ourselves would have got 3 offers, right? And I'm so glad we politely refused them because our value is just increasing every 6 months. But jokes
Yep.
about it will happen. The consolidation will happen, and that consolidation is going to happen outside the big four. The big four, due to a variety of reasons, that kind of monetization is going to be a bit of a challenge. You saw EY trying it globally; it failed due to the partnership lack of consensus. So you will see outside the big four this kind of thing happening. And if you ask me, that's actually a bigger event than an AI, because what it will does is it will give the right set of partnership, the right set of firm, the right set of money to say that now you can expand. You don't have to grow organically. You have the framework ready, right? Acquire a practice in Dubai. Why are you growing it organically? Acquire a practice in Bangalore. Why are you growing it organically? And import or export, sorry, your best practices to some of these firms. So I actually think that is on the cusp. You will actually see this more and more regular in an Indian context. And we are very clear that if you want to become a 500 to 1,000 member firm, you can't grow organically. You'll be wasting a lot of time, right? So you have to prepare very quickly, become the right firm, and then be open-minded to get in some investors who will be ready to help you in your journey.